for Baba day-to-day eye care consult. I was for day-to-day eye care consult. You share any we are here. And now we because a comprehensive eye examination. When he said there will be a glaucoma screening, we do refraction. Say cows are prone to say your thing. Maybe be a fair name over day-to-day eye care consultant. Obenya Amayasha no. The Juma free Mondays, Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In fact, retina imaging, VFT, he has spares. So when there is a friend OCT, day-to-day eye care consult. There were Adapajachi Junction, so free take a Kojuso, a fine so. Because we see Adapajachi Junction, you see Junction as well. On your way to the Adapajachi Township, on your left. J&D Pharmacy, we are next to J&D Pharmacy. Your contact is 0242 571 349. 0242 571 349. Obetum so after 0559 709052. 0559 709052. It's whatever it is in eye care. You don't have to go anywhere, you just have to come to day-to-day eye care consult. Day-to-day eye care consult, your vision, our prime concern.
And I said, you are still cron, dear Wubedi, and if you won't know, 1 year need a wa, a bear how papa, son say, and you are what to do in our short respect. One ferio beer and a one slow beer to debre. But thank God, Sir Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic, a unity Kumase, Ghana, a Freddy Dienwa Quantre, dietetics, a different homeopathy, physiotherapy, phytotherapy, psychotherapy, and all the therapies you can think of, answer food science and technology, scan and lab service. Research and consultancy there a year will learn more direct Mondays to Fridays 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Any Sundays 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Wobekwa to Dr. Nakasa Wubehu Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic where yija the cabin wana empty an office a cheap and a sanya yija hotel a year opposite for 0240 512 171 and 020 247 4655 so order senye Dr. Edmond Arthur say mawo kitchen enya wo pharmacy
ene wiase ayewe yare dos na nipa wua na ewu ehwemu kire se finuane ayedie ebi ni kwan ayefa so ayedua niam ayedie da bi ayetwa wi ayede kokogu se ye fie anansto afi kwan ayefa so a ye no anuane no afi ni die nso ade ohaw na ede ba ene de yare ene oyene abasue nipa eno nti Pen TV edi dwumadie bi aba woni Dikin Dr. Edmond Atta eba ba kirachuo no ahunu se sa wamfa waduane anya wadura ebedu baabi no na waduro adane waduane enti yawada ene yawada bia enwume no wotwe mpam chia Dikin Dr. Edmond Atta na wabrabo ebesesa na woni yare atonkwanta mo bepai
good yede nyankopon asese ena nwumre nso ode yankwa ache na me waya de enye betesa akonia bani nyina mu no wa maye nan ampembo wa cry won ntaba kese no so ema ene dey yawada kese kama sei eye me dey yawata na me de yankwa ache ya nese nyame waya de owura Yesu yeda wase medende Dikin Dr. Edmond Atta mene mi team ni nyina crew ni nyina ema wadwo edeba your kitchen your pharmacy eso ene na eye the feet week ana se na wotwe a etoso enum a Pen TV ededwumadi eba ye ene the feet week last week anasa na wotwe a etwemu yedi nkomo ehwe bibi fa stress eho na yehu say stress ewo no eyade a eha adwene ohwe yare ahodo a ekoso nyina na nyina no fareba no stress enu nti yehu say so obomoden na say utimi manage stress na unyamre ma wo ho oje wa home we exercise kama udidi na enema mechire ni nyina no udigu na akwan mu a yare ene obeto nkwanta na mapai te se de owura ne kan no me pese me fasa akwanyen so na me sponsors day to day eye consult Dr. Ebenezer Edano omo adakwaja achikumase medical aka se wo pe baabi a wo pese wani a eyewoya machines apapa competent doctors omo be hwewo dia the only place also call a day to day eye consult omo kumase adakwaja achi se ye hwe ye ho yare a emfa ho ne ekwan a ewa about resource ukọ baabi a etia na se ukutrieska na unwe na ukobi na ukosi ukodi na resource ama watu sika egu ma wanwe kura wani no ye besan aye ne basa enu ntima wona nyentie na nyame ya adoma wo kina kohofre numbers na egugu screen so no na me san kai wo se Balm of Gilead Alternative Hospital anyankopon adem team ni nyina meda ano omonso ka ho ene edi dwumadie eba edi kan asrese ye pemo sponsors emu asofofo ne apostles ne mpemfo epika ho frefre bibre se time ne tia nanso ye time no ye sika ye be stresse manen ka wakoma na be sponsor na yentimi nya mre na wankasa nso frɛ na yenkyerɛkyerɛw na wo kitchen ho enye o pharmacy. Last week, ye conclude no ye say ade ba ko a stress e de bani pedua ni mo pa blood pressure, hypertension. Say unya hypertension a obeda amlodipine na say nifedipine so e be manage you but as part of uyi hu free hypertension ya ri mu no ejina wo so ti say wan kasa u discipline ho na wo manage stress u didiye na lifestyle changes a ebetimama resource abane nu na woda so no doctor won hwe akase jai no mo no ni na begina so yehu se emu ka se o kitchen ho no mo betima ye pharmacy na yetimi ade ho afri hypertension ho na amlodipine fedipine da so ne ada nu no ye free so dia ene ye kasafa kube ne tu no ho ene yehu se kubetu ehoye memreme uyi ezocap no na oba mesocap eye the middle portion of fiber ade brown wo ho no memreme tamtam no owe ne unsabe si na wo minimu nsuo na wo pe ne fiber ne gu anopa ne anwumra ebeboa because eho no loaded with a lot of potassium baby of potassium will be an enchine ebre no ase ye sodium enchine absorb ade eno ne niema ye hwe ho asem na yenya comment bi efri yen tiefo no emu bi ho me fa ba ko pe ba ko say doctor thank you very much for the program. My name is Angie. I'm really suffering from chronic stress. It comes and go but now it was for me and can't manage it at all. Sister Angie, I think say yedi kan aka ho asem but me sure am brasem say ye pon a na wafre me ene de eda epono so no etiefo emu odu ye ba bi wrem and it me sure say baby ye do no fa book fa o pen na ye ready ye be ready baby ye be ready man kasa enu ye dan ho aba na ye ba ahwe ensem a eda epono so na me sure.
ene se de wiase kron de abobedi ene de awonom wanye ni da hwa ebe ha papa sense enyare wododo ni nyina short respect won ferio bia ene won suro bia so dibre but thank God say Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic eyiniti Kumase Ghana ha efredidie ho akwankyere dietetics edifa homeopathy physiotherapy phytotherapy psychotherapy and all the therapies you can think of, and food science and technology scan and lab services services, research and consultancy there. Direct Mondays to Fridays 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Any Sundays 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Wobekwa to Dr. Nakasa. Wubehu Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic where yija the cabin wana empty an office cheaper and a sanya yija hotel eye opposite for 0240 512 171 and 020 247 4655 so order senye Dr. Edmond Arthur say Mawo Kitchen enya wo pharmacy.
Good. Mawo Kitchen enya wo pharmacy we straight. Na opese wo kitchen enya wo pharmacy dia e wo se oba Balm of Gilead. Ifiti south ha Accra ekosi Isirim ope baabi a wo ho beto krogen a yemfa enu engu ade mu ma wonnom nse wo liver na ope resource dia medical kan emfa distance enye excuse modern so obebe kumase na nyame afa me so na mahwe one munua be 5-10 years ni enkoda adenti na wo mana menhwe na bibia enye kama emaw enu nti yepon afre number no na bra Balm of Gilead na nyame nam so nso emboa enwumre yebesua de afa bofre eho bofre one of the fruit and I say aduaba manage ho pa ene pay manage ho de ntia manage ho de me ana minim eye niam bebre na minim say within the next 15 minutes enema bofre ye bia no mebo modern say emu 90% meka na we part 1 so often ni pedua mu a your friend be the gut system and I say intestinal tract say offer the gut system there na your friend afa yano esophagus na ya bowra your stomach ye funu no mpre bebre no enkofo nim say efunu ma no offer bibi say na eno na ye funu da bi stomach no ho na offer stomach na abdominal cavity ni you bibi nso efe no pancreas you bibi efe no intestine no you small ho you large nso ewo ho ye de no nso to nchen a you baby a nyame ya adom ne nnuane no aye di ni nyina no nso eye na dwuma wie na epese epia baby efa you ana kana no nso ewo ho no mo when you know other ones can form the gut system. The purpose of gut system no analysis our gut system the botaya nyamenyansem no why and say ye nuane a ye di no emubumu digestion ebe take place e wo ho na digestion so take place wo ho no mo a ama bibi efen absorption enuane na ye di enuane no na ewo mu no etimi absorb ewurawura ni pedua ni mu mankwamo ano nso enya enuane adi ema ni pedua no agina ne na so na men ebeka se na wasipi esita na ni nyina mu no nso udidi wi a nyame hu se enema bi nso wo ho a enye ewo se babonten enu nti efre bibi excretion ewo se enema enye no nso eba abonten a excretion be take place whereby those waste materials no ebe metabolize na aba abonten ni nyina ye niam gut system no eye na ade ba ko a gut system no empene say obema insukom adew the more insukom edew no unya constipation because nnuane awudi no senye fluid ye kase nsukom enye se necessary se onum nsuo nemum no nnuane awudi ni eye dried se bia o di pan no ba ila ya chi kokwa ya tutun those nnuane no eba ne se bema woyem atim enu nti ni nyina ye niam etimi affect gut system ana eniam a contain carbon carbon eno nso your drinks bebre wonu a carbon ewo mu ana spicy foods you know water fried rice na creamy ni we egugu so eni niam bebre na nwumrei nyankopon adom ye ba be hwe ekwan a o gut system no omo a oma nunu for be 5-10 years ni oma develop chronic ulcer. Ya ka se chronic ulcer che se wanom antibiotics wo ho wanom memo bonkofo product wa ha wanom memo antibiotics wo ho obi so ho obelche wo ho so che se tempia no ne upper digestive tract no obelche tempia esophagus no inframa wom SSA wom obi so on motwa o so or fracturance na tempia inframa enenam ne to pie ba ni na no some of the disorders of the gut system obi so on mo a na nefu ayekutu tempia no nefu ayekutu obi so on ma onya acid reflux odidi wi a na ejinejina ne bo na se ne bo hyehye no na hypercalcemia so ede ne ho agim ni na no disorders of the gut system na enwumre ade ye da yi bofre ebeboa within 10 minutes ya edamanimi bofre se wo fa bofre a ekitami a bofre a abre enye ne tipan ne bofre bunu bofre a abre enye ne tipan ne bofre bunu no ewo nuane no bebre ewom be me de start free bofre a abre se bofre ebre a enuane no na ewom no enoso ensene bofubunu bofrenso abrea tuntum ewo ho ne yefre bibi tumor necrosis factor enye de abre na eye yellow pa no etipan ne de tuntum wo ho no lipedua no yefre bibi free radicals anase oxidant udidi ohome enema boni enwo ne pedua ni mu a etimema enkwamwa no enyine foforo na de cancer eba no udi bofra abre out tuntum wo ho enuane bia abre tuntum wo ho a esisa de ne kwan a natural death of the cell take place a friend apoptosis na bofra gunu we no ofa eho na ene bofra nkasa na haban no a eye ebunu se ye oba na se bema obi baby sente o se me ka sha oprekon bofra na haban no oba ana bema ene bofu bunu sei no ewo nuanu bi ewo ma baako efe no papain na ewo bofu bunu either say na haban ana say bofu na unripe one one of the powerful enzymes enkane no ye ma me mo ye enam omo ye mpunam kotodwe ene nam a din a omo tete bofu haban etoso se na be ya nsuo ni hu na den enam no when tenderize no ema amino acid peptide bonds in those protein no and polysaccharides no carbohydrates no anyway no ema ne me tenderize enam ene protein ne ma enu nti se ofa bof bunu we a the moment na haban ba akopɛ ayese no te se de hu no mfonyin no so no obe hohoro na watwitwa gu blender ma na so wode wayewa na bia wa fa nsuo sachet baako ene fa watwi wasone so na wanom no ekwo gut system ni mu na wo se abdominal cavity ni mu a de ne se apart from papain no numerous amount of ascorbic acid friend vitamin C a bo frame no enye guava anase anka anase lemon akuturo anase anka etwade lime mo etipen no anase tangerine no bofre loaded with high amount of ascorbic acid and into obi a wo ulcer wa kwa enko menko di anka abra bofre ho udi a wa funumu enkaw but the amount of ascorbic acid ewo bofre mu no numerous baby a vitamin C obi ano ekuro ewu enuntina sometimes oko hospital na o complain say we ya antibiotics near the vitamin C account so that that inflammation na cause any other way no ebe ha adwene ana vitamin C so boama immune tissues ne cells no regrow emenema koso kama enuntima sure say if na ekun se wo ulcer obel chitem bia tembia na wi inframa tembia na ofu aye kutu tembia na chese like complaining aduane to mu a hwe bofre umwa men say ya bofre say ya embrace twitwagu blendem o twitwagu blendem mu a mana aba no enwom emu he ana bosomo miense bia no bofre naba eye diwema bosomo miense bia no e wose ye diweme ye nom nsonson nru nanso yenye mekwa menkai tama me bi nemum me di bofre a me bo me homode se anya krampo no na aba no mako 5 to 8 ye me afra because open one of the powerful anti-parasitic kind of phytochemicals suppress those worms na when you pay any more bofre number and when se bofre aba no udi bofra we kakra fra obetimi nso kura hata na wa really to say ore na bibia to say ore na dries no obetimi aye ne powder na why ne powder no nso ebia koko bi na wudi a na wasa atereketwa na measurement hiame the fat side ne ye ne nkyerese keka boboso ni overdose nso betimi akoso ade ofa atereketwa no be say half na bia koko na wudi agum se tea bi na wudi agum enkwan bi a wudi agum betimi aye no ebia no pane anwumre be say 3 days or 5 days me no apose wadi we me ho enu nti bofre we a eda ha no no efi enanwumre eko ma wani enko bofre ho na bofre we ade ba ko a esanso ye mede ne se wo fa bofre na aba na eye one of the powerful can say ade a detoxify liver no brebo na nka say organ a nyame nansen mo no eye detox enema enye na ewoni pedenim eno na eyifri ni pedenim wa piama ukidni na yeson ye no ama excretion take place the moment a obe fanema be say no ema pressure ema brebo no ho se wo ye bofre aba powder anasa wo we be say 5 to 8 anasa maximum 10 de bia ema wo liver ni feeling relax omo creatinine ewo wo soro omo go through you can say dialysis dialysis and I say even crampono doctor akase odo beto dialysis so as a result of creatinine and protein ne excess no enye so ufa bofre na aba na utiki na ye do obaba ma regalia na ye do to those nutritional ways wa me come che obaba be kan nipa na ne creatinine level you refer any free hospital kese bi ma ne ba ho na 2000 plus and me then a true diet so for 8 weeks by the grace of God no about 620 ukwa there be in the 4th week obesan ababa be check I will not be surprised say ebeba be say 300 and when timesro say ma wo kitchen ho enya wo pharmacy say one ma wo kitchen mukasi ho anya bia bia unnu egu a in fact wason ebeyehye enu nti mesre wo se niema kire nyina no faye adwuma odi ye adwuma ebe boawo me san summarize makasa afa bofre ahaban ho wote bofre ahaban ba ko sei wotwetwa gu blender manasa adwuro mu twi with ensio 1.5 sachet water and 1.5 nafa hono unwi asone so nom de bia wotimi ye ni sa osa na o battle no ebe clean no yan hade antibiotics aye nom na ema enkwamo no cells no mo produce acid ne enye active no e contain bibi afra no proton pump inhibitor se offer bibi ti se bofra papi one of the powerful proton pump inhibitor cells na e produce acid na e did those inflammation eba no e mane inactive inhibit no enunti se wo ulcer wo stomach issue bofre the best fruit ebebo bofre na nkasa no ebuluwe no kobisa wabere wa bihwe ye de nkwan ye de frore se wo sensene ho na one te senya adoa no wo ye wo puto guso ampesie na wabo apema ampesie bia na se bayira na se bia no watwi wo hwe wo kakra gusu na wudi woye woya eya wo kitchen no ana your pharmacy onyare ya rough umfa wo sika kakra na wanya no enko baabi se wo kwa akoto eduro medisi a obetime de WhatsApp line no WhatsApp no line ni obetime de questions ana se contribution bi afa 0200 801 801 0200 801 801 as I talk no ebi mo hwe live Pen TV Facebook and YouTube obetima hwe no the same thing no YouTube and Facebook Pen TV GH and I say YouTube o call no more Pen TV GH ni na no obetime a capture no live YouTube and you can say Facebook enunti enwumre yesua de afa bofre ho mepese de yesua no o ma no enka ho wo de beye adwuma the more o practice no o be hu say enu na wanom na sebio o system na develop resistance results I was say no na wonom the feedback e ba na I say de ba no emfa madia ade na wo kitchen ho mo kase ho enye o pharmacy me edu mrebi na ye can gut system. Now I was talking about the mouth, the esophagus and other vital organs no yeah me treatment for cancer na me go through chemotherapy and radiotherapy na me cancer na head and neck me kon enunti na me ntimi enye saade me di dry foods bia na. In fact, that was 2006 and 7. Then me kro pano kura na me di tea ate se me bu pano no. Na me di abo tea nim na ma ide ni me di because ebeye mre na me waya ade. Ye mo ye nsema issue waya ade. But na me man nsa so a me go through treatment every year. My parents any adofo me pese me use sa akwanya so na me papa Pastor Emmanuel Kwaf, you know, no SS or chair me chemistry. Now me one of the best chemistry student. That is I show. In fact, from then till now, when Jaime Chikwan, Pastor Kwaf, on a ham director, that is me salute what in show. In fact, then just simple near bomb pie. No. After agronomy, after food science, after nutrition and dietetics, and in the media bisia and the church. My kitchen ho and your pharmacy. We are sa when I read that. Adia say we di agro me ho a be ha adwene meduane me fa meduane ni agro because meduane na ye medru enu ntima wo kitchen ho and your pharmacy. Messages be brave aba. Messages be hey wow me pama chow ahombrasiemu WhatsApp message na message men fre please thank you for the education. Please how many times can you drink the power? Oh obetimi afane daily ntina me say 1.5 sachet of water obi o kan so say na yan konkon an na okeka mo boso da bi yan nyane sa nsio sachet no ba ko ne fa na bofre embryo to say mensa amamwani wo twitwa gu blender ma na ayu am no watwi na wo de ahono na ayo na che unni diabetes a utimi kura de wo kakra efra na ye de utimi kura nso de kubensio efra ye be have visceral fat ekwan a wo mo afu aye kese wo mo pese eso te ne ba normal the moment a wo fu ebe kese no wo yo ba wo de ma tengina ho emu 7 fibroid and also ovarian problem and also omo kind of fertility issue. We are bear man so obenya erectile dysfunction because erectile tissue na also blood pass through nema erection they take place. You better male health and women health one of the days na sanema we na mature. Mami read messages in be somewhere come be say 4 minutes na yemfamra ewieye nti na yesi momboaye for time no momboaye I love the education on ulcer. Please, I want to know the purpose of combining pawpaw with garlic. I think pawpaw alone is enough. So, ulcer, spices be to say cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, garlic, mono. I will advise you say anka obeti so ana say obejai ana obe minimize pa, especially ni moko. Ulcer, ade bi ye cocoa product in an empty stomach men nom sa no pa o se me nom cocoa product edosun cocoa product ni dosun me mo product wa ana sa no pa me di emo ni tomato stew. No, tomatoes go through fermentation. End product of every fermented food ethanol. And until make sure say a more with vegetable stew is different from tomato stew. When you know, I think one of the days in the metchurch, one of the days, and until make sure say oh yes I know. The product being so bad, probiotics. Me papa Dr. Nyakon, PEMEM Deputy Director, or the best product be bagana hanomwa probiotics unnebia ebebwa and nti ebeka ho asymmetry. Please, I am battling with ulcer, so please help me. I think so please after the show no afraid. Please, can pawpaw be used for pot belly? Yes. Pot belly is in line with visceral fat. But I think so after the program no. Now, dog, please, I am Alberta. Can a pregnant woman take the pawpaw seed? Yes, but not in the first trimester. Patrotini, we are oba wafer ninsanya, and I want you more. Baby, a dilated blood. Oh, for baby to say, sobolo, turmeric, money, those winner, cinnamon, money winner. Or first 3 months, and first trimester, and men no. And nanimoja, a bit mamuina miscarriage. But after bear or second, third trimester, no, if you see 7th month in econo, ultimately because by then I form it, I don't know acquire anymore. And until pawpaw seed, you know, we are pregnant woman. I think, say, ubit fan after bear 5th month in econo, no, half teaspoon at the ketwana a fa, and answer 1 week. Ni seed na nkasa no be miensan to 5 per a day as a way of deworming yourself. Enu nti sa na etie me pese me fasa akwanya nso na me crew no, you know, crew no kofo my memfa messages kakre bin ka ho na good timunya me free good my memfa nko for messages na yemfa program memory ne e fasa kwanya so asere mo say 45 minutes or 1 hour ebeboa obetimenya kwan abemu bi ntia de ntina mo sponsor. Please, what about cocoa? Cocoa, over balm of Gilead. No bang be or Ghana, Hanoma, or more animal cocoa as 7 to 10 days. Over balm of Gilead, cocoa, say Ama Honomaya Pacha, Nasuri, 7 to 10 days. I know the men worry, bra, balm of Gilead, Nayan Suno Sikaka Crane, Duati, Nanyame, Yentimima for the ancient Yamin Munam, balm of Gilead. God bless you for your teaching. I love the education on ulcer. Hello, doctor. Please, can a pregnant woman eat the pawpaw together with the seeds? Yes, but as I said, you know, we are pregnant woman. We bet me do pawpaw. Vitamin C, no club or kwame brain. So, any papi, no. No moment say a first trimester. But more than said, after 5 months, you can why you anything be related to that. No organocologist, and also the advice every month. Send a one kwanko ye bibiama unyinsen so answer. Praise the Lord. Apologies. Dr. Edmond, thank you for the good job you are doing for us. Please, how can we use the pawpaw seed for keeping the liver relaxed? Wow. For pawpaw seed, na to say them kind of. Which man will bear 5 to 8 debia eba ne sa emma pressure emeda brebo no so brebo no ene internal detoxification but in doing that no we introduce other form of boosters bit say pawpaw seed na emma pressure emma no so utimi so kra blend and also utimi ne powder na waduane a wodi no wodi bi ayeden egum efi na ekui ne menim say nyenya no yebedi ho afri ulcer eho ene other that system disorders na me chiro say me cameraman Christian Abuaje Jeffrey Pobi ana Emmanuel enim graphics no so de Isaac Ata Opoku ana maame ana MCR ana o produce me body raba kope kablamante the papa me pese me fasa akwanya so na me papa afenya me che House of Faith General Bishop Daddy Nyamisha one mama Esther me papa Isaac Osei Caprice yes me chicha one mama Lydia Pastor Tony Mensa PIWC4 mo hwe nyina ni mtafo Nyamisha mo na me kire wo say me papa Eswa Santi ene mama Lizi ene me papa Samuel Entry so ni mtafo Apostle hweme dada Nyamisha one mama Mary na me kire say me papa Benedict special assistant to the chairman ono so hweme papa kwafo de medical abonidi one mama in fact nyame ayade se nyame ayade se ya na ensese ye kan ano ehye o se ye danasi na mom no mesrɛ say me de number ba bi go hoidie frɛ na be so yasene na se bibi so god bibi so hawa memfa nkɔ baabi me nyu sikandi ekom de nkɔfo mo bia so ye doctor ekom de nkɔfo mo bia so ye prophet enu ntu pɛ baabi a ho beto de Abraham of Gilead na yen hwɛ anase ko day to day eye consult na Dr. Eben ni team so enhwɛ enti screen no on say Balm of Gilead for any day to day for your numbers ego so enu ntu betima frame 0240 51 21 71 0240 51 21 71 and I say 0244 63 25 33 0244 63 25 33 so ofra mejo so na wa Balm of Gilead say pressure na wo say diabetes say liver issue say awo na wo pa ye bie no eni 1 year but as I speak me wo client by 11 a omonye maye din me person nyam wa next year omo wo a ne boy advert na e do ma bishim na ye de age points enu nti nyankopon onhiraw na me nka ho na me bo adasene e behwe bibi afa male or women health afene ye hwe nti na me enkan ho nchiechia nyina bye bye.
Baba day-to-day eye care consult. For day-to-day eye care consult, you share any And he said, yeah, will be a glaucoma screening, we do refraction. Say, cows are prone to say, oh, then, maybe be a fire near one day, or bad day to day, I can consult.